Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get the face tracking in Roblox. As you can see, uh, if I turn my head on left, on right, on downward, on up, you can see that I can move my head and it's basically using my camera to track my face and then doing the same uh, on its camera on your on its avatar. So if you want to get this feature, how to enable this feature in Roblox mobile, if you are using mobile, you can do this. And what you need to do, first of all, let me come out of this game and come out of this game to get this feature. Once you're out of the game, now go to three dot, go to settings, go to privacy. In privacy, guys, what do you need to do? You have to basically scroll down and make sure to enable these two options. In privacy, you will find these two options. Just make sure to enable these two options, microphone and camera input. You can enable this input these two options by tapping on this toggle button. Fine. Can you see it? Let me show you with the cursor. So by using these two options, you can start tracking your face on Roblox. This is a new feature. In this feature, you can use your you can use your camera to animate your. Can see that you can use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement, and also you need to you need to enable the microphone input. So once you enable these two input, it will start tracking your voice as well as your facial expression. But you need to enable these two options in the game itself also. Fine. So, but if you don't see these options, guys, to get these options, you need to first of all verify your age. If you didn't verify your age, you need to do that. And so just go to account info, and in account info, basically you need to verify your age by using this. Since you can see that my age is verified, so I got these options in privacy. If you don't see these options, you need to first verify your age. Without verifying your age, you can't get these options. So yeah, that's how you can get it. And let me go back to, so now to get this feature in game, you have to make sure that the game also support these two things. Microphone, you can see that microphone, camera supported as communication. So you need to find that game that support these two options, and once you find it, just tap on play button to get this face tracking on in the game. So I'll show you, just a minute. Now once you enable these two options, the beta option at the top, can you see this beta option? You can see that this option will be appear here. Just click on the Roblox icon and just tap on these three options to get the face tracking. The last one is for the face cam. If you want face cam, and let me turn my face. Now you can see that it's actually, if I show my teeth, you can see. So it's actually tracking my voice and tracking my expression. Everything on my face is actually tracking, and hope you like it and hope you understood. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment sections in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Who's this guy behind me? It's actually, hey, hello. So yeah, till then, bye bye.